Alright, this is what we're doing, guys. That is a Puig racing screen, or motorcycle screen as they call them. It is called their Naked New Generation Touring, for touring, okay? Touring Naked New Generation, blah blah blah. Alright, I know, guys, I'm a naked rider, but we're gonna do this and we're gonna do it for a reason. I had to go to the store and get an 8mm because who has this? Now I do. If you need one, let me know. I'll come over and lend it to you. Come back here. But anyway, let's get this screen on here. It is going to make long distance riding so much more comfortable. Let's start the video off with a word from our sponsor today. My Coronas. Killing the Corona one at a time, right? Yeah. Yeah. And look, I opened them the redneck way with a lighter. There we go. Bottoms up. At 94 degrees, I deserve that. It says that you need a number 3 Allen wrench, a number 6, and a number 8. Alright, it also says that we're going to be mounting them to this part right here on both sides. Do not take off both screws at the same time. Do them individually, they say. Let's follow the directions this time. Let's start with this side and see how tight it is. It could be too tight, but it's not. It's not too tight. That's good. All right. Now, I actually didn't like the way that this lined up when I test lined it up. It doesn't seem like the mount is correct to me. That doesn't mean that it is not correct. Let's have a look at it. Okay, it goes over this way. So, let's see. It's gotta go. Everything's gotta be in the way. Right here. Okay. That's where it's supposed to go. It's through. Let's get an extension for this. Extensions. I am not going to be riding after I put this on, since I am drinking the Coronas. This looks to be a very easy install. I'm sure I'm doing something wrong because I normally do something wrong. That don't look safe, guys. It's cutting into it. Huh. Maybe it's supposed to cut into it. Let's hold the screen up here and see. I just don't know about that. Oh, hell no. That don't make no sense. Let's come back and try this another way. Okay, guys, here's the problem. You do not use the original screws. You use this screw that they give you and this little puppy here as a spacer. So that explains that. Don't make that mistake, because I actually bent this a little bit, which isn't going to matter because I'm a pretty strong guy. I will get it bent back if I have to use, you know, my man muscle on it, right? See, I just did that again. Alright. Gonna have to have this, then this, like so. And that will fill the gap because the original bolt is it countersinks into triple tree. All right. So well, hell, now I don't need a number 8. God. Boy, they have to make it stupid difficult. There, I need, is this a 6? Well, this is a freaking 5. They don't even say on the directions to use a 5. What does that tell you? Now, this is coming from France. Maybe that's the problem. All right, we're not going to get that real tight at this time. We're going to have a little look at it and see how it lines up now. Because remember, I did bend it a little bit. See, it's only a 7-inch rise. So I think that'll be okay. Now we'll try this one here. I feel like I am betraying the world of naked bikes by doing this. It's wrong, obscene. I feel like I'm having sex with a pig or something, all right? But it's going to serve a purpose. And it makes me also feel more like an old man doing something like this instead of like I'm 13 years old. But I'm not 13 years old, right? So let's behave our age. It's about comfort in the ride. All right. See, if I took the time to actually read the directions, instead of acting like I know what I'm doing, like all of us guys do, I would have saved myself a few minutes there. Now let's just get this a little snug, not much. Hold it together. Okay, on this side you take the screws, these screws, with a little Allen wrench goes in right there. This is the backing for the screws, and this is the cover for the screws, which I already lost, but I did re-find. Now, since we know I actually bent this one a little bit, you know, I did. Let's do it last. All right. Oops. Okay. So we're gonna put this in. You see, the Revzilla people, they would like this as like a, you know, a one beard job or whatever, because it's so easy. So okay, this sticks through here. Come on, get in there. All right, that was very simple. I'm just gonna tighten them up a little bit, just to get it started. Then I'll come back and snug it up. Other side. Stick it in the hole. Get excited by that. Alright, it's in the hole. Get her started. Alright. Now when I stick this one in the hole, we'll be able to have a look at it and gauge a little bit. Come on now, get in the hole. See, work. Remember guys, spit was made before anything else. Served our forefathers just fine. Let's have a look at it. Stand back. Alright. Okay, that is what it's going to look like. I went with the see-through because I motovlog. Alright. You can't even tell it's there very much. That is the view installed, guys. It's straight, everything looks really good. Actually, there is my face view, is over the top of the shield. And then we'll go inside and we'll hit some of the statistics on this puppy. Okay, here's the paperwork that came with the, let's call it a Puig screen. It tells you that you get helmet protection right there, upper body there, but I can't read it because I don't have my glasses on, so hopefully you can. Alright, lower body. And then you got these metrics over here. I don't know what they stand for. Oh, with or without, I suppose, right? Over here is your protection levels. Upper body 100%, low body 100%, helmet 50%. And it comes with the instructions, which was easy if you actually follow them. It just takes a second. A worthless book that most of it is in French, and a nomenclature piece of paper. Do with as you please with this stuff, but have a spectacular day. This screen is motorcycle specific, so if you want it for another bike, you have to order it for that particular bike.